Hello, good morning, students. See, today that is the resolution of vectors. So, this article is new for you, and this article is very important for solving NEET problems or JEE problems. So, what is the resolution of vectors? Which formula is there? We have to discuss now. Okay. So, for that purpose, see in this diagram. So, in this diagram, we are considering two vectors which are there. First one is OA, so we can write here where OA, vector OA is equal to, is called as Rx. Okay, vector OB that is Ry, and vector OC that is vector R. So this is the representation of these vectors OA, OB and OC. So similarly, we can consider here angle inclination. So this angle inclination in between, angle between Rx and R, Rx and R. Okay. So this is about the parameters. Now in this article, how we can find out the resultant of these two vectors? Means we have to find the value of R here. So what is the value of R in this case? Okay. So for that purpose, try to solve this derivation. So in this case, we have to find first of all cos theta. So from figure, cos theta is equal to adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So we can write adjacent side upon hypotenuse. So cos theta is equal to adjacent side, that is OA means Rx, and hypotenuse means what? OC, that is R. That is OA upon OC. It is represented by cos theta is equal to Rx upon Y, Rx upon R. So therefore the value of Rx is equal to R into cos theta, equation number 1. So this is the equation, that is Rx is equal to R cos theta. So this is value for Rx. Okay. Similarly, we have to find the value of Ry. So how we can find out the value of Ry? Ry is the opposite side of this angle inclination, that is theta. So therefore we have to find here sin theta. So from figure we have to find R value of Ry, that is sin theta. So from figure sin theta, that is sin theta is equal to what? Opposite side upon hypotenuse. So sin theta is equal to opposite side, that is AC, upon hypotenuse, that is OC. So sin theta is equal to AC. What is AC? That is Ry, and OC, that is hypotenuse, is R. So therefore we can write the value of Ry. In this way the value of Ry will be, so the value of Ry, therefore value of Ry becomes R multiplied by sin theta, R multiplied by sin theta. So this is equation number 2. Okay. Now in this way we have two equations. One is for Rx and another is for Ry. So this is our first equation. Rx is equal to R into cos theta, and another equation is Rx is equal to R sin theta. Okay. So this is about the values of Rx and Ry. Now try to solve the equation for resultant vector R. So to calculate the resultant vector R, we can write squaring and adding equation first and second. So equation first is for Rx, equation second is for Ry. So squaring and adding. So there is a addition, that is Rx. We can write Rx plus Ry. So there is addition, but squaring also there. Okay. So Rx square plus Ry square. So what is the value of Rx square? The value of Rx square is equal to R cos theta. After that, plus R sin theta. So, whole square, because this is the value of. So we can write directly here, that is, what is the value of Rx? Rx, the value of Rx is R cos theta. So we can write here directly Rx is equal to R cos theta, means R square cos square theta, and the value of Ry, that is R sin theta, that is R square sin square theta. Okay. So taking common terms here, so common terms will be Rx square plus Ry square is equal to, common term is R square, remaining terms, so these two are square, that is they are common, remaining term will be there, that is sin square plus cos square theta. So we can write here sin square theta plus cos square theta, and we know sin square theta plus cos square theta, the value of this is, this bracket is 1. So we can write here, but sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So using this formula, we can write above equation like this, that is Rx square plus Ry square is equal to R square. What is the value of sin square theta plus cos square theta? Sin square theta plus cos square theta is equal to 1. So that's why we are writing here 1. So therefore we get R square is equal to Rx square plus Ry square. So taking square root. So after taking square root, what we get? After taking square root, what we get here? We get, that is R is equal to under root Rx square plus Ry square. So this is the value of equation number 3, and this equation 3 is used for resultant of this two vectors. So this is the resultant, that is vector R is equal to under root Rx square plus Ry square. So whenever you want to calculate the resultant vector in this case, so you have to use this formula, that is R is equal to under root Rx square plus Ry square. So this is about R. Now how we can calculate the angle? So if you want to calculate the angle inclination, that is theta. So what is the condition to calculate theta? So to calculate theta, divide equation number 2 by 1. So we can write here, dividing equation 2 dividing equation 2 by equation 1. So dividing equation 2 by equation 1. So what is equation 2? That is Ry upon equation 1, that is Rx is equal to, the value of Ry is R sin theta divided by R cos theta. Okay, so R sin theta upon R cos theta. So which term will cancel here? R get cancelled. Then remaining terms we can write, that is Ry upon Rx. Ry upon Rx is equal to sin theta upon cos theta, that is tan theta. Now we have the value of tan theta. The value of tan theta is equal to Ry upon Rx. So therefore we can write, that is theta is equal to, means the angle between Rx and Ry. So this angle inclination will be tan inverse of, we can write theta is equal to tan inverse of Ry upon Rx. Ry upon Rx. So this is equation number 4. Now this equation shows how to find the angle inclination between Rx and R. So these two formulas are so important that number of questions may be asked on these two formulas. So you should memorize these two formulae. So in case of resolution of vectors, we should know how to calculate the resultant vector R. So resultant vector R can be calculated. So R is equal to under root Rx square plus Ry square, and the angle inclination, that is theta, is equal to tan inverse of Ry upon Rx. So this is the formulas to find resultant and angle inclination. Okay, so this article is very important. So remaining articles are dot product and cross products. So we will see in our next video. Till then, thanks.